Hello, beautiful family. Welcome back. I'm your host here, Gigi FAISON, and of course, you're always welcome into my home as well as out at Serenity Place, which is where we'll be hanging out today. Guys, you know what to do. Grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy. You know, when there's a playlist link, I want you guys to be comfortable, so make sure you grab yourself a snack. Alright guys, keep watching as I keep working. Now I am building upon this table that I started on yesterday when I shared with you guys my lantern for the fall, which kicked off the season. So if you haven't checked out that video, please make sure you do so. So guys, what I'm doing now is setting the table to present to you the lantern that I decorated. So for this next segment of this video, you may notice some change out. I will be changing out the charger plates. I will be adding a layer to my centerpiece. I'll be adding a runner. And then I will be changing out my charger plate and adding in the flatware and the stemware. So guys, just sit back and enjoy as I continue to create and enjoy, hopefully to inspire you to go ahead and get started with your fall styling. So what I'm doing here is basically just moving the lantern back from direct center so that my two ends will actually have visual contact. And because there is dead space on the back side, I have those two empty chairs. So just to give a little filler to the back side there. So that's all I'm doing, just moving the lantern back from the center so that the two ends will have visual contact and to fill up the back space just a bit. You guys, we have completed another wonderfully decorated table. And guys, this is part of Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by Anna, the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, where you may find her creating an abundance of just beautiful home decor pieces, candles, tablescapes. She loves creating and recreating things that she finds at the Dollar Tree. Amethyst. And that's Courtney of Amethyst Adventures. You will find her creating some beautiful DIYs, and her tablescapes are amazing. So I decided to come back with my lantern that I shared with you guys on yesterday. And if you want to see how I put this all together, creating this swag, I will insert it in the iCards above. So guys, you know I love to start in my center. So today will not be any different. This is my beautiful lantern, and I purchased this lantern from Ross, probably early spring, summer of this year. I just love the color of it, the ambiance from the candle. And guys, this lantern was so beautiful. They had two. They marked them down for 20 bucks. And of course, I had to bring them both home with me. So I decided to open the door of my lantern, as it is part of my table decor. It is serving as my centerpiece. So then we will go to the table runner. Now here I just have a natural color table runner, but I did place this beautiful scarf on top of it. Paris. Guys, this scarf is absolutely beautiful. And I thought it would just be that perfect touch for the layering of my centerpiece. I also have a little greenery in here. Of course, we can't have a pumpkin patch without having a little greenery. And then these little candle ring wreaths I shared with you guys in a video that I did when I created my lantern. Then I have these candle holders here. These are some that I've had for quite some time, and I don't quite remember where I purchased them from, but they are absolutely beautiful. A little bit of my luminaries candles on the inside of them, and then these gorgeous pumpkins. These are some pumpkins that I purchased from Pier 1 several years ago, and I've shared these in many of my mostly fall table decor designs. So here, guys, this is my center. I've added in a few of those velvet pumpkins. Guys, I like to use these non-traditional colors when creating my tablescapes. So we'll go over to my place setting, and I'll just drop right here. I have these beautiful wine glasses here. These are some that I purchased from Pier 1 years ago, and they only had 4 of this style, and I ended up picking up 2 of the champagne flutes to work at my head table, but today I only need 4 because I'm doing a 4-piece setting. Then this beautiful fall harvest plate here with the gourd and the beautiful pumpkin. Now these have the more of the natural colors, traditional colors, but y'all know I'm a non-traditional gal, so I do love that blue that's in there. And then this is a dinner plate. Now there's a set for this dinner plate, but I chose not to use it because I wanted to display my fall harvest plate, and then this gorgeous, beautiful, isn't it beautiful, charger plate. Now this is one I think I picked up from Macy's a few years ago. These are things that I've searched my home for and decided to use to create this beautiful tablescape. And this actually is part 2 of my fall series. So please set your bell and come back for more. And as you see of my flatware, I decided to go with this more whimsical set. And these are absolutely gorgeous. I thought it worked well with the place setting here. So you guys let me know what you think. Again, I want to thank Courtney and Anna for hosting this every Tuesday. And I love jumping in when I can. So guys, let me know what you think of my pumpkin patch, my first one for the fall season of 2022. All right, guys, if you're new to my channel, I do welcome you, and I thank you so much for stopping by. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I take this time to say thank you. Now, if you're new and you want to be a part of this family here, I promise you it's so easy. There's a red subscribe button. Just press that. Then you see a bell. It says all, so you'll have to press it twice. That way you'll always be notified of any uploads that are made here. You guys be blessed and take care. And until the next tablescape or whatever I decide to do over here at Styling with Gigi FAISON, I welcome you all, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Guys, thank you so much. Big hugs from me. I appreciate you all so very much. Please be blessed, stay safe, and take care. As I am your host, Gigi FAISON, and you're always welcomed at my house. Whether it's in my home or out here at Serenity Place, which I've chosen to hang out here today. And isn't that beautiful?